Hello, my name is Daniela Fonseca Moncada. I'm studying Performance Arts at Universidad Javeriana. I'm in second semester. I'm going to talk about the things I like to do, my hobbies. I have several hobbies. As someone who likes to be doing different things, since I was a child, I have been very active. And my breast, I have been involved in different activities, like swimming, tennis, music, skating, the dance, which is what I'm most passionate about, along with the performance and what I do in my career, because I feel a great love toward them. It is a place where how shy I'm disappears and turn into movements. It is a world that I hope to know of people, places, and the most importantly to myself. I have done a process of transformations thanks to this. I have felt in its fullness, and when I'm doing what I love, I feel complete. In act, I have little. However, is something which no doubt, and I'm in love with. And I transform it. I stop being myself and I can be who I want to be. It is a taste that has blossomed in a very short time, but everything that I'm doing, it feels me and makes me a more integral artist. Another of my hobbies is to see movies, because it helped me to imagine scenes, create characters, to live in other times. It awakens my imagination on a large scale. It is an activity that I can share with family and friends. Recently, my boyfriend and I bought a puppy. This is little Joaquin. Most difficult to adapt to the change. Now I really enjoy his company and like to do give her rides. It has become one of my favorite hobbies, because I realize how wonderful are these animals, and also I can socialize with new people thanks to my pet. I like to go out with the weekends to new places like Alpena, the Neusa, the Calera, Chia, and Chiquinquirá. Being with my family is one of the things I enjoy most in my life. Since I was a very young girl, we have all been very unique, and we have shared a lot. I have instilled the value of family, and that are the people we can really trust. We tend to do different things every weekend. We went out to lunch at different beaches. We're going on a trip. We do family meals. We watch football games. Some things to change the monotony. We do rides of boats, are my favorites. Annually, we plan 2 or 3 trips to different tourist sites. These are trips where we agree and go together. We really spend a delicious moment. And finally, singing. I'm not very talented, but if I do with pleasure. Usually, I always listen to music in my room, also while I'm arranging or bathing. In those spaces, is where I get my little musical talent. Since I am single and I do so with more peace of mind. Okay, basically, this, I'm talking about, of my hobbies, and my passions. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning some things, about me. Bye.